For people who are concerned that they may not have adequate knowledge or experience to serve on juries, that is something that they should not concern themselves with. First of all, it will be the court's responsibility to instruct the potential jurors on the law that applies to the case. And the judge will do that depending upon the judge. Typically, it's done at the end of the trial, but some judges will instruct them on certain areas of the law at the beginning of the trial. In my courtroom, there's one particular instruction I always give them at the beginning. I call it, and most judges do this, it's a preliminary or cautionary instruction where you tell people not to discuss this case with anyone else, not to begin deliberations, not to pay attention to anything you may see on television or radio. And then at the conclusion of the trial, they'll be instructed on the law that applies to the case. It's the responsibility of the attorneys to select jurors that they believe can grasp the concepts that are important in this case, and it's the attorney's responsibility to, what I would say, paint a picture and explain their theory of the case based upon their theory and support it with evidence why their side of the case is correct. So you have to recognize you don't need to be a criminal law professor to understand what the evidence is in a case and then apply the law to the evidence. You'll hear the testimony and the evidence. The judge will instruct you on the law. We all rely on our common sense and experiences in life to weigh the credibility of witnesses, and you're permitted to do that. If someone is testifying and he or she doesn't make sense compared to all the other evidence in the case, then you decide what weight to give the credibility of that witness. So that's something that we all have unique experiences, and we bring those into the jury room, and that's the beauty of the jury system. You'll get a group of individuals from diverse backgrounds and different experiences in life, and collectively, the wisdom of the group is better than any one individual.